Here's another nail tutorial. We start with an alcohol swab to remove all the oil from the nail. Air dry. We use the base and top coat by D&D. That's the step 1. That's the step 3. We use Emali 060 is the color. We use the Beatles A140 for design, perfect match, happy hour, and perfect match, Moon River, nail foil, and a dotting tool. We shake the polish a little. And here I noticed a little piece of cuticle sticking out. We will be removing that. I have a video posted on how to remove your cuticles. And now we start with the base coat. Very thin layers. Take your time, don't rush. You want to cover the whole nail. You're going to wipe off all the excess before you put the nails under the LED lamp to cure the polish. LED or UV lamp is the only way the polish hardens. Here we wipe off the sides so there's no polish on the cuticles.